Alright, it's late. I don't know if you can see out there. About 8 o'clock. Part. So this, I stripped it down, took the bill hook, a few parts out. I might take this shaft out. I don't know. And a buddy of mine, he's like my little brother, he came over, helped me, and I stripped this knotter frame down. I run grease through the zerks, making sure that it's clear. Got it halfway cleaned up. Had to use some heat to get this one apart. I've checked everything. The only wear I'm showing is right here. But I don't think that's too bad. I think it'll work. But stripped everything out. Like I said, around grease. Make sure all my grease zerks and everything's clear. Halfway cleaned it up. Then I'm going to use this knife arm. Wobble. This one here is a little tighter, but the ball bushing here, see, this one here is fixed. I don't know how to get it off. It's an old style. I mean, this is a 1971 baler.